In this lecture, we are going to see about voltage series feedback amplifier. Voltage series feedback amplifier. So let me see block diagram of voltage series feedback amplifier. I am assuming the amplifier with gain A. Amplifier with gain A. Output voltage is B naught. Load resistance RL. So output current is I naught. Input to the amplifier is DI and current flowing to the amplifier is I. Feedback is nothing but fraction of output voltage is sampled and feedback to the input through feedback circuit. So here we are using sampling network is voltage. So sampling network voltage. So you have to take voltage output and fed back to the input through feedback circuit with feedback factor or feedback gain is beta, which is beta. So input to the feedback network is B naught and output of the feedback network is BF. Output of the feedback network is BF. Here we are using voltage sampling and your mixing is series mixing. So mixing is series mixing. So we have to connect like this and your source voltage is Vs. So here output is voltage, mixer network also voltage type. So we can call it as voltage amplifier. Voltage amplifier. So I am using suffix AB, voltage amplifier. So I am using suffix AB. So this is gain of the amplifier without feedback network. So without feedback network means output to the amplifier input, that is V naught divided by VI. So gain of the amplifier without feedback AB is equal to V naught by VI. Similarly, feedback factor beta is output to the input, that is output voltage is here Vf and input to the feedback network is V naught. So Vf divided by V naught. So this is also called series. So we can represent mixing. So mixing network series, then sampling network shunt. This amplifier is also called series shunt feedback amplifier. series shunt feedback amplifier. So voltage series feedback amplifier, also called voltage amplifier, since sampling network and mixer network uses voltage. It is also called series shunt feedback amplifier. So here fraction of output voltage sampled and that is Bf is equal to beta into V naught and fed back to the input through feedback circuit. Now we are going to calculate gain with feedback. AVF, then input impedance with feedback RIF, and output impedance with feedback R naught. So we are going to calculate gain with feedback, input impedance with feedback, and output impedance with feedback. So first we are going to see gain with feedback. So I represented it as AVF. So gain with feedback. Let us assume AVF. So let us assume AVF is equal to, so gain with feedback means gain of the whole network. So gain of the whole circuit. So gain of the whole circuit is given by output is V naught and input is source voltage Vs. So AVF is equal to V naught by Vs equal to gain with feedback. So this is equation number 1. Then we know that AV is equal to V naught by Vi. V naught by Vi is equal to, so this is gain of the amplifier. So gain without feedback circuit. So this is equation number 2. So from input circuit, apply Kirchhoff voltage law. So here in input circuit we have 3 voltages, Bs, Vi and Vf. So apply Kirchhoff voltage law. We have Bs, then we have Vi, Vs, Vi, then we have Vf. So we have 3 voltages. We know that rising potential is equal to falling potential. So we can write Vi plus Vf is equal to Vs. This is equation number 3. So just substitute equation 3 in equation 1. Equation 3 in equation 1. You will get ABF is equal to V naught by, so ABF is equal to V naught by, instead of Vs you substitute Va plus Vf. So Vf is beta into V naught, so V naught to the Va plus beta V naught. So from amplifier we can replace V naught AB is equal to V naught by Va. So V naught is equal to AB into X. This is equation number. So substitute. I am taking, this is equation number 4. Substitute V naught in equation 4. You will get ABF is equal to ABVA divided by Va plus beta ABVA. So ABVA, take Va as common, you will get 1 plus beta AB. So the ABF gain with feedback is equal to VA get cancelled. So AB divided by 1 plus beta AB. So ABF is equal to AB by 1 plus beta AB. So gain with feedback reduced by the factor 1 plus beta AB. Next class we will discuss input impedance with feedback and output impedance with feedback.